All right, something that you may not know is that people do compression tests on handheld equipment. And you actually, yes, it will tell you obviously if it has super low compression that you have compression issues, but they actually still tells you actually not to do compression tests. There's no exact number that compression should be. Obviously, there's a general rule like for handheld two-stroke or mixed gas units. This is a hybrid four-stroke, but for those, you needs to be about 120, around 120, and for mowers, it needs to be about 60, 60 plus. But what they don't tell you is, or what they do tell you is you don't do a compression test on handheld equipment, two-stroke or hybrids. And what you do is you actually do a pull test, so a drop pull. So when you pull this over, it should lift the machine. So let's say I was to pull this string, it would just pull out without me putting any downward pressure on it. Then that would tell you if it has adequate compression. Now this is a general rule, for compression issues, but yes, it'll have low compression, but that doesn't mean it won't run. It will still run on lower compression. Being that this is a hybrid overhead valve, this doesn't use ports. This uses actual valves like an engine on a car or on a motor. So if this had low compression, I could simply adjust these valves to have that, because what's happened is maybe the valves are too tight from being worn out, and it's actually holding that valve open a little bit longer, so when I pull it, it's going to have low compression. So in the end, when you have a handheld machine, to check compression, don't put a compression tester to it. Simply lift it up by the handle, and if it lifts the machine up without unwinding the recoil, then you have enough compression for the machine to run. So just a general rule for you guys. Let me know what y'all think.